native plants can solve so many of our ecological issues. You know, it supports pollinators, it can help mitigate and adapt to climate change impacts. It helps the monarch butterfly, which is always, you know, one of the first thing that rises to the surface. And it provides wildlife habitat, you know, because those are the plants that our native wildlife evolved with. So we realized that faith communities had a role to play in that, and so did the National Wildlife Federation. It's a tool for building relationships, really, and through that relationship we can support each other in doing good. And through the faith community lens, it's all about stewardship of God's creation and caring for creation. What we hope to accomplish with this tour is to show people what's possible, you know, in their faith community, in their own yard, and know that they don't have to go it alone. There are a variety of agencies involved. Now there's over 30 faith communities involved, and we can all provide support for them, not always monetary support. You know, we started with grants. Now we do things like swap native plants with each other. You know, we support them in other ways through education, through these we do workshops as well. We try to do a celebration and networking event every year at the end of the year so that we can celebrate our successes and our challenges and think about what we need next to continue to grow in what we're doing.